Hi boys and girls, Miss Brown here. Today is April 13th, 2020, and today we will be working on application 17. It reads 7 students sit on one side of a lunch table. 7 more students sit across from them on the other side of the table. Pause this video and draw an array to show the students. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we're going to draw students who are across from them. Okay, so we have 7 students on one side of the table. We have 7 students in front of them. This is the array. 7 on the first row, 7 on the second row. Now, pause this video and write an addition equation that matches the array. Since we have 7 on the first row, we have 7 on the second row. That equals 14. So our equation should be 7 plus 7 equals 14. Now, there's another way that we could write this equation. Pause this video and write a multiplication equation that would match this array. And our answer is 7 times 2 equals 14. All right, good job. Now, pause this video and draw an array that would show 3 more students sit down on each side of the table. So that means 3 students are added to the first row and 3 students are added to the second row. Go ahead and pause this video and create that array. Okay, since I already have my first set of students here, I'm just going to add 3 students to each side of the table. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to add 3 students on this side of the table. 1, 2, and 3. Now, pause this video and write an equation that matches this new array. You guessed it, if you said 10 plus 10 equals 20, equals 20, then you are correct. Now, there is still yet another multiplication problem here. Go ahead and pause this video and write that multiplication problem. Yes, 10 times 2 equals 20. Great job here. Now, there is a part 2 to this lesson. It is the application, not the application problem, excuse me. It is the problem set for lesson 17. So go ahead and stop this video and view the second part of today's lesson.